Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create how to delete the cache files on laptop. So to do that, here you have to go to the search section and just search for run and just tap on the right click and open the file as administrator, and then just here write %temp% and click on OK. Now here are the cache files in here. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard, then press delete and delete the files. As you can see, the cache files are deleted now, and there are some other ways you can do that. Go to the run again, and now just write temp, press enter, and here select all by pressing Ctrl+A, then tap on delete or press delete, then just delete all of them. So yeah, this is how easily you can delete the cache files on your laptop. Make sure to empty up your recycle bin by right clicking and then click on empty recycle bin. Click on yes, and as you can see, the deletion is being processed. So yeah, this is how easily you can remove cache files from your laptop or PC. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.